Welcome. Today we're tackling a crucial topic for Tesla Model X owners: what to do when your battery is completely dead. We'll cover recovery methods like towing and jump packs, providing you with essential knowledge to handle this situation effectively, especially with Model X units produced before 2020. Let's start by visualizing the Tesla Model X vehicle. When the battery is dead, it starts at 0% charge. Recovery methods can bring it back to operational levels. Recovery options include the Tesla Jump Pack for emergency starts and towing to a supercharger for full charging. A dead Tesla Model X battery occurs when the state of charge, or SOC, drops to 0%. The vehicle's high-voltage lithium-ion battery pack, typically 75 to 100 kilowatt-hours capacity, holds the energy that powers all functions. When fully charged, the SOC is 100%, but if it reaches 0%, the battery is considered dead. This can happen due to prolonged inactivity, where the car sits without use and the battery slowly drains. At 0% SOC, the vehicle displays a charging screen with warnings about the low state. The estimated charging time may show 24 plus hours if using a slow charger. One common cause is extreme cold temperatures below 32 degrees Fahrenheit or 0 degrees Celsius. Cold weather slows down the chemical reactions in the lithium-ion battery, reducing its capacity and making it drain faster. Less commonly, software glitches or system errors can cause the battery to appear dead, even if there's some charge remaining. Tesla's software updates help prevent these issues, but older models may be more susceptible. When the battery reaches 0% SOC, the car enters limp mode, where only essential functions like lights and hazard warnings remain operational. The vehicle cannot drive and requires towing or specific charging methods to restore power. Your first step should be contacting Tesla roadside assistance. They will arrange for your Model X to be towed to the nearest supercharger using a flatbed truck, which is essential due to the battery's weight. This service is often free for the first year post-purchase. Tesla offers a portable jump starter called the Jump Pack, introduced in 2023. This device connects to the vehicle's high-voltage port, providing a temporary boost to start the car and get you moving. The Jump Pack isn't a full charger, but it can restore enough power for about 5 to 10 miles of driving, enough to reach the nearest supercharger. Over 10,000 Jump Packs have been distributed to Tesla service centers by 2025. Always check with your local center for availability and proper usage instructions to ensure safe operation. Once at a charging station, prioritize DC fast charging at a Tesla supercharger, which can deliver up to 250 kilowatts of power. This high-speed charging is essential for recovering from a completely dead battery at 0% state of charge. Avoid using level 2 chargers for a dead battery, as they typically provide much lower power output and may not be sufficient to wake up and charge a Tesla Model X from 0% state of charge. Tesla superchargers are designed to rapidly restore range, capable of adding up to 200 miles in about 15 minutes for compatible Model X vehicles with the latest battery technology. The charging curve shows how power delivery changes throughout the process, with peak power early in the charge and tapering off as the battery approaches full capacity. The Tesla app is your primary tool for preventing battery issues. Regularly check battery health in the service menu to monitor energy retention and receive alerts about potential problems. Enable Sentry Mode in the Tesla app to receive alerts about unusual activity or battery drain. This feature monitors your vehicle remotely and can notify you of potential issues before they become serious. In cold weather, use the Tesla app to precondition your battery remotely before driving. This warms the battery to optimal temperature, improving range and preventing deep discharge in freezing conditions. If your main battery is depleted, the 12-volt auxiliary battery can power essential functions like lights and the touchscreen. Use it sparingly to conserve power until you can reach a charging station. Regular use of Tesla superchargers keeps your battery healthy by maintaining optimal charge levels and preventing deep discharges. This practice extends battery life and reduces the risk of being stranded. When dealing with a dead Tesla Model X battery, safety is paramount. Never attempt to jumpstart the vehicle using a standard car battery. Tesla's high-voltage system operates on DC power, and using the wrong battery can cause severe electrical damage to the vehicle's components. Incorrect jump-starting procedures can void your warranty and lead to expensive repairs. Always follow Tesla's official guidelines for safe recovery methods to protect both your vehicle and yourself. Remember, proper safety precautions prevent damage and ensure reliable recovery from battery issues. Looking ahead, Tesla's full self-driving software will integrate with charging stations for automatic plugging in. Wireless charging is emerging, and battery technology advancements like solid-state batteries could eliminate deep discharge risks. These trends will minimize dead battery incidents in the future.